Hi, I'm Gerald Oginski. Come on in. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law here in the state of New York. Today's video tip is about failure to diagnose cancer cases. Typically, when somebody comes to me with a possible case, they're usually diagnosed with an advanced form of cancer. There's something going on in the back of their mind that says, you know what, I think my condition should have been diagnosed earlier. And my job is to try and find out from them what actually occurred and what symptoms or problems they had initially that makes them believe that this condition should have been recognized earlier. And the whole goal when addressing cancer is to try and get it as early as possible, because then you have the best chance of aggressively treating it before it has ultimately spread, and then you're in a very bad place. So the key question that often I have to analyze is, if your condition had been diagnosed earlier, when you first believed that it should have been diagnosed, how would the treatment have been any different? And how would the outcome be any different? Because if the gap in time is very short and you have what's known as a fast-growing cancer, then your outcome and the treatment may be the same thing. And if the treatment and outcome are the same, then it's going to be very difficult to show that the delay in diagnosing your particular condition caused you further injury. Most often we see these cases come up where there is a huge gap in time, where a patient has complained, let's say, of a breast lump, and the doctor has decided not to do anything and not to send the patient for a mammogram or biopsy, and months go by, maybe years go by, and now all of a sudden the lump recurs, and guess what? Now it's biopsied and turns out it's cancer and may have even spread. So the key is that gap in time significant? If it was caught in the beginning, would it have been stage 1? Would you have been a candidate for surgery, for chemotherapy, for radiation? What stage was it caught now? And what is that gap, and how significant is that in terms of your treatment and diagnosis, and importantly, your prognosis? Well, that's it for today's video tip about what I as an attorney look for in a failure to diagnose cancer case. If you have questions, I want you to pick up the phone and call me. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at lawmed10@yahoo.com. That's LAWMED10@yahoo.com. And if you found this information helpful, what I want you to do, if you're watching this on Facebook or YouTube, I want you to press the button below that says like. This way, all of your friends will be able to see this video as well and get the information that you've just watched. I'm Gerald Oginski here in New York. Thanks for watching.